Like there was much more asset driven than just money. Like our economy
Fiat.
today, we work, fiat, right? We just work for money, we receive money, we spend money. It's all money, and the governments do everything in their power for us not to own land. It seems.
No.
Which there's probably some deep thought behind
Something
that too.
about that. Yeah. Yeah.
But yeah, because like you could definitely in today's economy, you could envision a different style of United Order where it's kind of like consecrate your salary and then receive a stewardship back. But see, the problem with that is that requires like maintenance. That requires like a monthly like effort to do.
Install. Yeah.
Yeah, and if it gets the bishopric involved, like way too heavy-handed. So it's just not really because the whole point of the United Order and that this consecration was like a one-time test. It was an Abrahamic test of sorts, where it's like, give me everything you have, and they're like, okay, and then the Lord's like, I like the cut of your jib. Here's a stewardship, and then you're like, wow, what I have doesn't come from the world. It doesn't come from my own hands. It comes from the Lord. He just gave this to me after I consecrated all to him. So now I have this extra sacred responsibility and understanding that, hey, these resources I have of the earth is producing, is actually sacred. This isn't just the fruit of my labor. Like, the earth is sacred and I'm a steward of it. Like, it's all very principle driven. And like the whole United Order's act of consecrating and receiving your stewardship back, like it's like an ordinance. You do it because it's symbolic.
It's very celestial pointing.
And it does produce it does produce certain things, but a larger purpose of it was the principles that you learn from doing it. You know, how it helps transform your heart.
We did theorize at one time that if we could, for instance, like sign the deed of our house over to the church and like fully consecrate our house, and then it was in the church's name, and then they gave it back to us as a stewardship. If we could get around property taxes, that like,
well, yeah, because if we were clergy and our church and our homes belonged to the church, right? Yeah. Then that house belongs to the nonprofit. There's no property taxes. That's more money we can consecrate to the church, to the storehouse.
That's what I'm saying. There are some benefits to maybe like looking into this a little bit.
And it's all voluntary on the books, right? It's just a pure covenantal relationship. Like, there's no coercion going on there. Like, it would be amazing to do something like that. And I think the government would freak out. Probably.
Yes, I think they would close that loophole real fast. It may already be closed. We don't know. We're not tax experts.
I'm thinking they can't because they already make use of it themselves. So
that's possible. That's a very good point.
Like, the rich ain't going to close their own loopholes.
Yeah.
Corrupt class of... Anyways.
Hit that like button, leave us a comment, subscribe to the channel. We really appreciate it.
They may seem like little things, but liking, commenting, it helps the algorithm push our content out to more people. So it's our small way of sharing the gospel in a social media age.